How to add motion blur to any clip in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Capcut application on your device and select the project that you want to add the motion blur effect. So what you need to do is you first of all have to select the portion of the video where you want to add the motion blur to. So I'm going to split one of the section over here so that I don't have to add the motion blur effect to all the clip in my project. So I'm going to go to edit and select the portion and then split. After splitting up, now just tap on the section that you want to add the motion blur effect to. After selecting on that, you can see the effect option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on effects, then go to the video effects, and on the search bar you can just search for motion blur. And as you tap on motion blur, you'll be able to see the motion blur option over here, so just tap on that. After tapping on that, you can also select the intensity and how horizontally you want it to happen. So you can select the level and the intensity over here. After that, go back to the video and you'll be able to see the motion blur effect in this clip only and not on the whole video. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.